So with this, can I say the inspiration of this video actually revolved around COVID-19?
Yes.
So it was due to COVID-19 that...
No, we started the building, but we realized that COVID taught us a lot of lessons. So we have added a lot of smart listening into it.
Yo, lovely people, it's your boy Labibu Samuel. I'm back again with another exciting video. And today, you know what? You can call me Engineer Labs. As you can see, my helmet and my costume is not easy. And I'm currently at College of Art and Built Environment because today we are going to have some convo about this building.
On this fateful day, I had a chance to speak with the engineer who happens to be the project manager of this multi-million-dollar project that KNUST is building. I was shocked to the core that this building, KNUST actually took an inspiration from COVID-19. You are shocked, right? You must be. I had a chance to ask him a couple of questions that was baffling my mind, and not only me, my audience too. I guess that's the reason why you are also here. I also had a chance to interact with some of the workers, tour around the building, and indeed, it was an eyesore. The engineer went ahead, explained to me how this building is actually a smart building, the kind of technology that they are incorporating to make it stand out. And looking at the features of this building, I mean the architectural style, with the facade being different. Indeed, the architectural style is elite. You know what? Keep watching.
So a lot of students have questions about this particular project that's ongoing on KNUST campus. So with the help of the engineer who is actually in charge of this project, is going to help us to clear all doubts in our head. So anything that is baffling your mind, with the help of Labs and the engineer, we're going to clear everything out. So let's get right into the video.
You've been gone, it's an empty home. Come on back.
But wait. Can you do me a favor? Subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on the notification button, like the video, and share so that other people can also hear about this. I know that you are enjoying this video. Let's get right into the video. But remember, the grammar is not good.
On this happy trip back to the promised land.
I'm Labibu Samuel, a student at KNUST reading mathematics. Please, what's your name?
My name is Samuel Dasho.
Okay, please.
I'm the project manager here, ASIB Limited.
Okay, it's a pleasure meeting you, sir.
You're welcome.
And please, my first question is, who actually designed this building? We heard that it was students who designed this building, and others are also saying it was a lecturer. So,
it's a lecturer. He's an architect. It's called Professor Butri.
Okay, so it wasn't designed by students.
No.
Okay. Then, please, what's the architectural style of this building? I mean,
It's in let's say curve style.
okay.
It deviated from the normal rectangular shapes and the square shapes. So this one is in the curve.
Okay. Then, being it in a care form, how long has it taken you people to reach this level? When was it started?
It was started in 2018.
Okay.
But the project is in 2 phases. The first phase ended 2020. So we are now in the second phase.
So please, can you?
And there was a break in between the first phase and then the second phase. It was about 1 year break.
Please, can you describe the first phase? How it was like?
The first phase was the foundation work and then the structural works to roofing level. That was the first phase.
And the second phase is?
The second phase is basically finishes, services, installation of what we call curtain wallings and the rest to completion. The second phase is to completion.
Okay. But when I went around this building, I realized that it has different designs. I mean, the facade, it has been treated differently. Why? Why is it?
Yeah, that is from the architects.
Okay.
That's what the architect wanted to create something different from the normal designs that you see in campus.
So, please, who will be the users of this building? Will it be I don't know.
It's for students and then lecturers and then office staff for at a built environment.
Then, how many floors does this building have?
We have 9 levels, 9 floors, including basements. 9.
One thing that I've heard about this building that it will be a smart building. Like there'll be more technology in it. So,
Sure.
What are the things that you guys are putting?
Things like access to the lecture rooms. You have to use card or you have to use pressing of buttons to enter. Lecturers can teach here whilst students at different levels will get lectures.
Okay.
And lecturer can teach at home while students here will get it.
So that one, the teaching aspects, can you make some explanation on how students will be at home and lecturers will be teaching and will be getting access to this?
Like what we normally see with the what do you call it? This modern technology that has come on, okay. The Zoom type.
Okay.
So we have made it in such a way that students will not suffer. Like the typical example is like when COVID came,
Okay.
school was break for some time.
Okay.
So we don't want that thing to happen whereby students will be sent home because of disease.
Okay.
They will be at home while the teachers will be teaching here. They will be at their various hostel while the teacher is at home and they will get all the lecture. Let's say they can divide the student from, let's say, ground floor to third floor, whilst one teacher is at the ground floor or any other floor teaching, and all the students there will get the lectures.
Okay. So with this, can I say the inspiration of this video actually revolve around COVID-19?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so it was due to COVID-19 that
No, we started the building, but
you realize that
we realized that COVID taught us a lot of lessons.
Okay.
So they have added a lot of smart listening into it.
Okay. And one thing that I've also heard, instead of the basement, it will be used as a parking lot.
No,
Okay.
that thing has been taken out.
So initially it was part of the plan.
That's what I heard, but the actual design, there was no parking in it.
Okay.
It's now going to serve as for facility managers and then for students and stores.
So what's the capacity of this building? How many students can it contain, maybe per class in total?
In terms of the students,
Yeah.
okay, we have about 3 of these lecture rooms.
Okay.
It will take about 250 times 3 of it. Then we have these classrooms.
Okay.
So in total, it will take about 3,000 students can.
Okay.
We have libraries and then computer lab inside.
Okay. So these ones are the auditoriums.
Yes, like auditoriums. We have 3 of them.
Okay.
And then we have what do you call it? Exhibition halls at the 3rd and 4th floor.
Okay. So it's a pleasure meeting you, and thank you for helping us to understand more about this video. We hope to see you again.
You're welcome.
So guys, as you can see, it seems this is the auditorium that the engineer was talking about. So this will be I see it to be a mini auditorium though, but you see, when they are building, you see it to be small, but when they are done, it looks so big. So it's a little bit curved. So this one, they are taking some inspiration from mathematics. Concaves, you get it? So everything here is mathematics. So this will be the platform, and mostly the chairs will be arranged here and those kind of stuff. So, and I don't know these things. I don't know the name of this. I don't know the name of these machines, but you see, as you can see, the things that they are putting in place, it will actually make this building actually a smart building. And I learned this is a typical classroom, and this is how a classroom will be like. So, and I learned it can contain about 150 students at a time. A classroom like this can contain 150 at a time. There.
Come with me on this happy trip back to the promised land. All will be happy and gay. Come with me on this happy trip back to the promised land. You've been gone, it's an empty home. Come on back where you really belong. You are always welcome home, welcome home.
How are you? Got another worker who also speak with us, his experience and other stuff like that. So, when you question, what do you listen?
Meeting the baby from me, I'm Mr. But the woman I'm on.
Yeah. I'm meeting the Mr. Labs. Okay, and see, because I'm also, what do you do here? Like, where then?
Yeah, me a Tyler, me one miss. Tyler, me good ties.
Okay.
To what to fro.
Do your own individual business and so still the company now.
Oh, me I'm individual business. Me I'm in a juma. Me
practice.
Practice me from where they acquire. But a juma you are my post on as my best company.
The company did this.
Yeah, the mom there, me your friend are full company. Yeah, full company.
The engineer na man.
Engineer they are there.
How long now so here?
No, there buy check. They say buy check.
So the building
okay. The company na here to check.
So building na musi, you listen.
Yeah. It's not easy. So be it me just can yes if say Ghana name akoso. So yes can see one group and see man one brat different. Hey, what brand now for? Easy to wire there. Wire there.
No, here so
it's down.
I'm working here. I want to have a well team. How things is going? When they started, how everything is going. So here in Pastor, do you listen? Hobby. Oh, okay. Pastor, so which role I played? Like who there then? You said you want to do something. Auto-type. Since when I started say okay. You said you want to cause building into medicine. Okay. What's the type so I didn't present. Oh, 1 year. Okay. We now we campaign about one asset. Campaign about one. Anyway, with us fancy when you do.